Simple on the train. Hurt, he felt everyone. Thought and Mr. Simple did not speak always. And garage and sat down. I began to feel because I had my back to the engine. Little boy was sitting in the opposite seat on the train back, and the chap had changed with me began but happened come back home, asked Mr. Simple. Yes, said Mr. Simple. Was you police? Police changed the place, and she had the even more stupid, for Mr. Simple could not understand why her wife was saying that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Like and please subscribe.